First point para dito kay Marvin Lee. Other for JD Marcelino.
Marvin Lee against Barcoma. Shoves him away. Sabi ni Marvin Lee, napakahirap naman.
Oo, pero minama niya yung ruto.
Pag nakikita ko yung kailangan mo iusog pagdating mo sa ilalim. May big man na
Kaya ang basketball ay para sa mga bata.
One-hander. Lee against Barcoma.
Kanina pa sila nagmamamaan itong si Barcoma. Sanay tayo nakakita tayo ng big man. Nagkakagirian, nagkakapisikalan. Pero ito, para yung...
Marvin Lee, alam naman natin na plays with a lot of pride. Sa former UST Growling type. It's taken away by Llarena. Lee will finish. 11 points. Llarena will lead the break. Binigay muna kay Marvin Lee. He'll take the three. That's good.
Wow! Ang layo nun, no? Layo ng kanyang three-pointer. Already with...
Free throw is brought to you by Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Lee. Three-pointer is good.
Marvin Lee, siya lang yung...
Marvin Lee. Fires the shot off the glass and in.
21 points para kay
Marvin Lee goes up against Celestino, trying to extricate himself. Oh! 24 points para kay Marvin Lee.